What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the trade that I took today, the trades that I took today, and you'll see them right here in my screen in just a second. And just for some context, today I took two trades. One of them was a long, the second one was a short. The first trade that I took, I went to sleep with. I took last night, and I woke up to profit. And you'll see, coincidentally, I had two levels line up today that both played out to be the high of the day today. So let's get into it. There's a lot on my chart, so don't get overwhelmed. All you have to worry about is this trade right here, this long. And I'll delete that. So this is the long that I took overnight, and you can see I took it off of my 349 level. I took this around 11:45 before I went to sleep, and I woke up and I was in profit. I woke up around 6:45 and I saw this thing pump. And there was one thing that I saw here that really stood out, and I knew that this was a manipulation. Within this was at a random time. This was just off of 701, 702. This happened really fast. Yeah, if you look on the 15-second time frame, this happened really fast. I was watching this happen. That's how I know. And I saw this happen. If you guys want to see my P&L from the trade, I have that posted on my Instagram. So, yeah. I made about $19,000 on this trade. After fees, it was about 18.8. And then we got the shorts. Now, how did we get the shorts? A lot of you guys have watched my video on the standard deviations, and I will tell you right here the leg that we got it from. So I went on to the 5-minute time frame, right? Coincidentally, number one, I had 447 here. Keep in mind, right? Now, that may not be the top, right? You may not call that the top. I see it as the top because a lot of the people, all of the people in the Signal chat had 447. They didn't have the level I'm about to give you, which it doesn't really matter. It was a point or two above, but yeah. I went on to the 5-minute time frame. I see London here. What do we see in London? We see that London made this move up, then it manipulated lower before making its giant move up. At this point in time, if I'm up at this time, honestly, like this time too, bang, here, I'm already fibbing this manipulation because I'm like, it manipulated, we're bullish here, all right? I knew we were going to be bullish, all right? I had a feeling that we were going to be bullish either in Asia or in London, and in Asia we just fell down to our levels, and in London we got our move. So I got my long entry. I let this thing run. I went to sleep with it. And yeah, so I got my manipulation here. Now, the way I drew it here, I'm going to have to improvise. Damn. All right, we're good. So what I did here was I took the low of the wick and I brought it up, not to the high of the wick here, because if I brought it up to the high of the wick, you can see I don't really have much here. Yeah, I don't really have much there. But instead, what I did here was I brought it to there. And that is how I got the level at the top at -4 being 448, which was 1 point above the level I already had at 447. And you guys could see that both of these top ticked, and we got our move down, and price absolutely just dumped. We wait until open delivers, and price is still dumping. And now this is good because we're dumping down to an area where I have levels, and you can see price is now reacting off of them. But I do think it's going to continue down, but it's just going to be easy continuation shorts for the rest of the day, ideally, unless we get some kind of reversal in lunch. Overall, it was a really good day. Just to recap, I took the longs here, and then we had our level at 447. After taking London high as well, we got our -4 after taking the manipulation here, off of the the wick and the body, and then yeah, our initial target here was our London lows, and you could have held it for a lot lower if you wanted to. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. And if not, I'll see you guys later.